Hi all, in this video we are going to see about NAND gate. NAND gate is the combination of AND gate and the NOT gate. The output of the NAND gate is connected to the input of the NOT gate. The output of the NAND gate is a reverse of AND gate. You can see this in the truth table. If any one of the input is 1, then the output is 1. If both the inputs are 1, that is if both the inputs are high logic, then the output will be low. The Boolean expression for NAND gate is A dot B bar. Now we can connect the transistors as a NOT gate. This is similar to that of the AND gate, but output is same as NOT gate. That means when both the input is high, current will flow through both the transistors, otherwise it will flow through the LED. Here consider in this second condition, A input is high and then the B input is low and output is high because even now the current is flowing through the LED. See, in this condition, the current is flowing through the transistors since both the inputs are high. So the current is not flowing through the LED. So the LED will be in off condition. Now we can see about the NOR gate. NOR gate is connected by combining the OR gate and the NOT gate. The output of the OR gate is given to the input of the NOT gate, and this gate is the reverse of OR gate. Similarly, we can see this in the truth table. If any one of the If both the inputs are 0, then the output will be high, and if any one of the inputs are 1, then the outputs will be low. The Boolean expression for this is y equal to a plus b bar. Now we can connect the transistors as a NOR gate. Here the transistors are connected same as the OR gate, but output is same as the NOT gate. When any terminal is high, then the current will flow through any transistor. Here both the input terminals are low state, so the current will flow through the LED. In this condition, if any one of the state is on, then the transistor Q1 conducts, so the current will flow through the transistor. No current will flow through the LED. The LED is in off condition now. In this condition, both the input conditions are high, then the current flows through both the transistors. No current will flow through the LED, so the LED will be in off condition.